Good morning, my lovely kids. Today we will do back counting from 20 to 10. Let's start. This is Rohit. First he went up using the stair from home. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After reaching on the top, from here his mother called him back. Now he is coming back using same 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This process is called back counting. Stay from biggest number to the smallest number. This process is back counting. Dear kids, you have already now back counting from 10 to 1. Revise again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dear kids, you already learned the back counting from 10 to 1. It is very easy to write the back counting from 20 to 10. Let's start. Dear kids, first of all, we will write 2, 0, 20. 2 under tens and 0 under ones. 2, 0, 20. Now, what comes before 0? 9. And what comes before 2? 1. 1. So, it is 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. What comes before 20? 19. So, here what comes before 19? What comes before 9? 8. One will remain same here. And now what comes before 18? 8, 18, 17. What comes before 8? 7. 1 will remain same here. What comes before 17? 16. And what comes before 7? 6. 1 will remain same here. Now, what comes before 6? 5. 1 will remain same here. What comes before 15? 14. What comes before 5? 4. One will remain same here. What comes before 4? 3. 1 will remain same here. What 13? What comes before 13? 12. And what comes before 3? 2. So we write 2 here under ones like this. 1 will remain same here. What comes before 2, 1. 1 will
remain same.
What comes before 11? 1 before 0 and 1 will be remain same here. So we will write here 10. 1, 0, 10. 0 under ones, 1 under tens. Kids, revise again. 2, 0, 20, 1, 9, 19, 1, 8, 18, 1, 7, 17, 1, 6, 16, 1, 5, 15, 1, 4, 14, 1, 3, 13, 1, 2, 12, 1, 1, 11, 1, 0, 10, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Kids, practice it at home. Bye-bye.